everybody, Mark Wilson with Ames Tools. Today's tool tip is about the loading pump and valve discs. On the loading pump, we're going to take the cylinder off, remove this. We're going to remove the foot valve. Here on the foot valve, we have these small discs. And if you take a screwdriver, just push it up through here. Normally this is where your screen would go on the bottom, but we'll remove the screen and you have this little clear disc right here, this valve disc. We want to keep this out of the sun so it doesn't dry and crack, because if it gets brittle, it won't work. So keep this lubricated, keeps it soft, it works well. Also, here on the bottom, this right here, we also have another valve disc. You can see this clear part right here. Again, keep it out of the sun, don't let it dry out, keep it lubricated or wet. Best to keep it clean and lubricated so that it doesn't crack. That's a tool tip for the day.
To learn more about ATF tools, visit the video resource library on our website, amestools.com.